Hello everyone, we are teammate. My name is Ritika and my roll number is 5K5.
My name is Abhigna and my roll number is 5 We both worked on concept and website design.
My name is Vikram Reddy and my roll number is 5K4.
My name is Vishnu, my roll number is 5K9. We both worked on front-end development of our.
My name is Nityananda, my roll number is 5K6.
My name is Sumesh, my roll number is 5 and 2. We both have worked on the back-end part.
Our project name is Sellers Express. Local vendors are all over India and we as customers prefer buying fruits and vegetables from these vendors, but these vendors face a lot of problem if they're left over with extra stock and they do not have enough money to take it back and get it the next day. So we have come up with a solution that will help the local vendors to profit in a better way.
Project Beam statement is connecting the local sellers with real-time market with direct communication. Our main motto is not to involve any middleman in this. And our project existing solutions are BigBasket and Blinkit and etc. And in this act, only the company is benefited, not the local sellers. The profits are all going to the company and the farm people, where only delivery man like that middleman is involved. And our project is not to involve the middleman and to benefit the local sellers who are selling vegetables in the street markets.
There are few limitations for the existing solutions. The limitations are the existing solutions only focus on the product based, not seller, and there is a third person involvement in the existing solutions, and there is no direct contact between the sellers and the customers.
The software technology we use in our project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and Firebase. HTML used for structure of our website, CSS used for styling of our website, Firebase used for storing of data, JavaScript used for connecting to the Firebase, and finally we use Bootstrap for styling of our tables.
Our website consists of 4 pages: cover page, vegetables page, fruits page and sellers page. As you can see here, we have a slider which we have implemented using JavaScript. So this is the slider, vegetables and fruits. We also have a sign up option. On clicking the sign up option, the sign up page will be opened, and if the user does not have an account, he'll log in using this page, and the details of the logged in users will be displayed in this authentication database. So we've used Firebase for real-time database. As you can see here, the details of users will be displayed here. For example, merchant email, full name, password and username. Password is encrypted using Crypto.js. So using this, the admin cannot know the password of the user. And after this, we will click on explore. So on clicking explore, we'll get all the fruits that are available in our website. So same thing goes for the vegetables. And on clicking buy now, the sellers page will be open. In this page, the locations of the sellers will be displayed using a Google map. So we have embedded this Google map in HTML. So the seller 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the example sellers. So these sellers locations with directions are displayed here. As you can see, Mr. Ramu sells vegetables, and like that 4 sellers are there. And on clicking this hyperlink, seller details, the table will be opened. This table is nothing but the database which will be managed by the admin using the sellers details database. So we've used 2 databases: authentication for the logged in users and sellers details for the products available in our website. So the real-time database, as you can see here, 4 sellers details are available here, and each seller has category, contact, gender, name of the seller and products. If he sells vegetables, those products will be displayed here, and the changes made here will be directly updated in this table. This table is created using Bootstrap.
The advantages of our website is the main advantage is the direct contact between the seller and the customer without involving of the middle person. In this, seller will get the more profitable, and this the main advantage is that it's very advantageous for the illiterate sellers. Coming to the disadvantages, the disadvantage is the main disadvantage is customer need to travel the seller's house location and get the product. And the second disadvantage is the contact between the seller and the customer need to only through the number. Coming to the conclusion, this website is to platform for the sellers to get the selling in the larger circle, and it is further implemented in handicraft, kirana, and etc.